What's up, you guys? Good to see you here on Grassroots Gardening. Fall is trying to make its way here. It's a little chilly, a little rainy today. We're gonna move the birds into the greenhouse today because, well, they don't have sense enough to get up underneath the covered roof right there or one of the covered roofs on their little cages over here. And I got them a little bit of food right here. Now, they're not babies, and this is just, well, it's baby macaw formula. It's what I raised Larry on. But I figured it's a little chilly today, and I need him to get down here. You can see Larry's kind of shivering a little bit, even though it's only 60 degrees. He's being a big baby. So we're gonna give him a little bit of this formula, and then we gotta move that silver cage into the greenhouse and just get the guys in where it's dry and warm. Come on, step up, Larry. Let's get you some food. Let's get you in there where it's warm. Step up. Step up. Come on. No. Come on. Step up. Let go of the pike. Speak to me. Don't fly away. Come on. You got your favorite food. Larry. Why you gotta be such a pain in my butt? Look, dude. It's your favorite food. There you go. That's good stuff there, ain't it, buddy? Scarlett's gonna be over here in a minute, too, because she is a big baby. She loves to still be fed with a syringe. Larry, if you get down here, you'd make it a lot easier on me, buddy. I just give them a little bit. I just feel like this helps give them, you know, some nutrients they might be missing in the dry food. And like I said before, they just love it. See how he still tries to feed like a baby? If you get down here, you make life a lot easier for us both, bro. You're gonna try to bite me though. I want him to step up. Come on, don't bite. Come on, step up. It'll be a lot easier, dude. Come on. All right. We'll go feed Scarlett then. Come on, Scarlett. Come on, Scarlett, you want some? I know you'll step up. Step up. Step up. Step up. There you go. That's a good girl. Here, you just want to get on the ladder? There you go. Look what I got. Oh, it's your favorite. Oh yeah, that's good stuff, ain't it, baby? Yeah, it's good. Scarlett likes to ask if it's good. Is it good? Mmm. That's good, isn't it? Yeah, we like that. You want some more? Sometimes I'll let her take my finger like I did when she was little, but she bites pretty damn hard. Try to give Larry a little bit more before it gets cold. There you go. A little bit more. There you go. Mmm. You've seen the camera before. Quit acting like you're scared of it. Oh, yeah. Good milkshake, ain't it? Some nice warm formula on a cool day, buddy. You want to step up now? You want to step up? You want to step up? Alright, well, I need my other hand back. Stuff kind of hard to squeeze out of there. I made it a little bit too thick. That's good, ain't it, bud? Yeah. That'll get you warmed up. And we got to get you in the greenhouse, man, because I feel bad for you guys. Even though it's not freezing, it's a little chilly. I will say, too, some folks leave their birds out year-round around here, but like, I think my minimum is probably 50 degrees that I'm putting them inside. And, you know, we're lucky, too, we have the greenhouse to put them into. Some folks don't have that option, but I just feel bad for them. You make a mess, dude. You make a mess. Look at that. You got it all over yourself. All right, I'm gonna give Scarlett some more. Some more, darling? Yeah, it's good. Yeah, that's good. You want some more? Oh yeah, somebody was hungry today. You wanna go inside where it's dry and warm? All right, last little bit. All right, let's give Larry a little bit more. Then we're gonna get you guys moved inside. You want a little bit more, buddy? Oh, that's hard. There we go. All right, that's all. You want to step up? We don't bite. We don't bite. Don't bite. Be nice. Be nice. All right, a little bit more. All right, you can have one more shot, and then that's it. I mean it. All right, that's it. You're gonna be fat. What you think about that, dude? You feel better now? A little something warm in your belly? So I was out here in a t-shirt earlier. I put the hoodie on just because it's slightly chilly. It's just kind of damp, and honestly, I just love wearing hoodies, and I want fall time to be here. Like, I hate winter, as y'all know. That's why I build greenhouses and have all this tropical stuff. If we have to have seasons, then so be it, but I want to wear a hoodie, and I want it to be cold when it's supposed to be cold. Let's go down to the shed right now and get some plastic we can put down underneath Larry's cage and get it moved in and get them bad birds moved. Y'all let me know how the weather is wherever you're watching from. I always find that super interesting to know where you guys are in the world watching the channel here. Sorry I haven't been putting out a ton of content lately. Life has been just nuts, man. And you know, I do a lot of stuff on my heavy equipment channel and just been crazy busy with it and just busy in general. Let's see if we can find my razor blade so we can cut us a piece of plastic. I am the most unorganized person. Luis helps me like get the shed straight and stuff, but if it weren't for him, everything would just be in piles. And since I've lost all my razor blades, I can't see any better time to open up this new PVC cutter than right now. Ta-da! Alright, now this is not what you want to be cutting this plastic stuff with, but it's what I've got right now, and it's Sunday and I'm lazy and I don't feel like looking elsewhere. When I get this stuff right here out of the landfill, it's some kind of like, well, there you can see, it's a roofing felt, but it works good because it's free, and then they can poop all over it and we just throw it away. Try not to go to the emergency room on a Sunday. There we go. Speaking of the gardening channel, the other reason I haven't put out that much content is because, well, that hurricane came through, if you saw the last video, just jacked my yard all up, you know, and I worked so hard on it. That really just kind of sucks the wind right out of your sails, you know. But that being said, I'm regrouping slowly, and I've got some really kick butt ideas for the yard, so stay tuned. Subscribe if you hadn't already. Hit that notifications bell down there because I promise we're gonna get it back in order, and I've got some really cool ideas. We're gonna do like some different zone plantings. And what I mean by different zone plantings, like for example, out by the pool, we're gonna do that all tropical. Up on the sand hill, we're gonna do all grasses. Let's just kind of go around and see what's been thriving in each bed that we have out throughout the property. Just duplicate that, but do it upright and plant a crap ton of stuff. And where am I going? I'm talking to you guys. We need to put this right about here. And we're gonna take that silver cage that Scarlett's climbing on, put it right there for Larry, and we're gonna put Scarlett back in her old cage that's kind of halfway attached to the house, and then Millie will be in Millie's cage. That'll do it. And Scarlett, my dear, while you're right there, you want to go ahead and be a good girl and step up? Let's go in where it's dry and warm. There you go. Good girl. Oh, your nails are so sharp. You're killing me, dude. Scarlett does not like having her nails trimmed. See, it's a little bit nicer in here, isn't it? Yeah. There you go, sweetheart. Hop up in there. Now get you some food and water here in just a little bit. You can stay nice and dry because everybody knows you hate bath time. Now, that was easy. One down. Now, see if we can get this cage inside. I don't think it'll fit as is. I think we got to fold it up a little bit, but I'm going to try anyway because, again, I'm trying to spend my whole entire Sunday messing with these birds. Let's see. Oh, come on, please. Yes. I gotta go through this greenhouse soon. A bunch of plants out here that I just need to go ahead and get rid of, and the one hanging from the ceiling is one of them. Come on, paper. Cooperate. Larry is messy. I'm trying not to get the cages too close because, well, if you watch any of the past videos, you know Millie and Larry and Scarlett don't get along out in the aviary. That's why she's got to stay in here. I found this feeder on Amazon. I really like it for like Bertle, who's a medium-sized parrot down at the garden center. It's a little too small for Larry, but the issue is we cut out one of the panels of the bird cage. So Larry, if he's able to get this feeder off, Larry's gonna be free in the greenhouse, and that's never good. And Larry is a troublemaker. So let's go get some wire and see if we can't tighten this up so he doesn't run amok inside the greenhouse. Okay, of course, I had a roll of stainless wire, but I can't find it, which is a very common problem that I have because, well, again, I'm just not an organized person and I lose stuff. So if we can fit this zip tie through here, maybe it'll hold jailbreak Larry for at least a little bit, but I have to go get some smaller zip ties. Dang it. These are not the ones I want to use because Larry's beak is crazy sharp and strong. And now, how am I going to get my other hand in there to do that? Let's see. Maybe something like this. Yeah. And this is just temporary, you know, while it's raining. They're not going to stay in these cages or inside the greenhouse very long because thankfully we do have very mild winters. So this will be just a little temporary fix, just to keep them dry and comfortable. Wonder how long these will last before Destructo Larry comes over here and starts playing with them. There you go. I'll just drop a bunch of them on the ground. That'll work too. Yeah, I hear you. Birds are a bunch of work, you guys. Even with all the help that I've got and the aviary, they're just they're a lot of work, man. So if you're thinking of getting macaws as a pet, I advise you to think long and hard about it. Maybe even go volunteer at a bird sanctuary or something if there's one close to you, because they're beautiful animals, but they're nothing like a cat or a dog or a much simpler pet. And I'm sticking my arm in bird crap right now. Come on, get that last one. It's kind of hot inside this greenhouse with this hoodie on though, I ain't gonna lie. I'll come back and trim these off later. A couple more on this side, and I feel pretty good about that. Go ahead and put one more right here. And maybe even one more going through that same hole, going up and over like so. Yeah, ain't the prettiest, but I think it'll work for the time being anyway. Let's see what Larry has to say about it. All right, got that feeder. Let's see, I ordered a new ceramic bowl off of Amazon. I order everything off of Amazon. I like these. They're really heavy duty. And also, I got to make a video too. These guys at Rosy Soil sent me this cool bag of houseplant potting soil to give a try out. It's got biochar and mycorrhizae. So we'll do a video soon. We got, Lord knows, we got plenty of stuff to transplant, pot up here in the greenhouse. So we'll make a video on that soon too. Maybe when the weather changes, it'll be all the more reason too to come out here in the greenhouse and hang out with you guys and make videos for you, because you know, when it gets cold, this is just a super nice, relaxing, warm place to come and hang out. All right, I guess let's go ahead and hang this. We'll use this for water. Where'd the washer go? We'll hang it on the door here. That'll make it easy for us to come out here and give Larry fresh water every day. Oh, I see. We gotta take the bowl out in order to latch this thing on properly. Oh man, come on. Tighten that down really, really, really good, because that water bowl will be kind of heavy. Plus Larry's probably gonna stand on it too. There we go. I have my trusty pliers on my side today. This lemon tree is eating me alive with all his little thorns. I didn't know if he was gonna make it. We had him on the porch during the hurricane. He lost all of his leaves, but we didn't lose the tree, thank goodness. This is a Myers lemon. I mean, these lemons are almost ripe, but yeah, all of his leaves got blown off, but he's budding back out and putting out some new leaves, thank goodness. So let him chill out here in the greenhouse all winter and put him back on the porch come summer. Go ahead and get Larry some fresh water. Now we got to find a food bowl. Actually, no, we don't. Stupid Ryan. We got this thing. So this thing just opens up on the back. Food goes in there. Larry sticks his head through there and gets a piece, and hopefully doesn't waste as much food as normal. So we'll just put some food in there. We'll be good to go. Millie, you probably need some food too, don't you, babe? There you go, girl. Bon appetit. And of course, we can't forget about Scarlett. I give each macaw about a cup a day. Well, I say about, this is probably a little bit more than a cup. All right, we got to get you some water. We'll clean this bowl out and you'll be good to go, darling. Hey, what are you doing on the outside? Or what were you doing on the outside? You're hungry, ain't you, girl? Get your water back in here if I don't spill it all first. There we go. All right, get your long tail inside your cage. We don't want to crush that pretty tail. There you go. Now you're all nice and dry. Clean water, fresh food. You can hang out with your buddies in here and not have to be out in the rain. One thing we do need in here, I hung Larry's swing up in his cage, but he needs a sanding perch, and I just bought some new ones. I think they might have got hung up out here, maybe? Or not? Let's see, we did have this one. It was a sanding perch, but the thing broke. The little tab broke on it, so I might have to order another one. I had this one, and Luis hung it up out there in the aviary. However, he lost one of the wing nuts, so let's see. Alright, looks like we'll have to get back on the Amazon.com and order another sanding perch. He needs something in there, love. Let's just go at least get a stick, some of this crepe myrtle wood, and shove up in there so he'll have something to climb on and chew on. This one probably should fit the bill temporarily, because even though he can climb around on the actual cage, I just want him to have some type of perch over here that gets close to the food container. So we can take that, kind of go in there, and then maybe come over here and bend this guy like so, and this dude like without breaking it. There we go. That'll give him at least a little highway across the middle of his cage, and something he's more than likely going to sleep on this. He loves this swing. This is another thing I got off Amazon. He goes through these. If you watched any of the videos, this is the plastic disc. It takes him a little while, but believe it or not, he can chew his way through that thick plastic. All right, now let's go see if we can get Monkey Butt and get him in his cage. Hey, dude. Man, look at our persimmons, you guys. They're getting almost ripe. I'm gonna plant a bunch of these seeds. This is a really cool fruit. It's a real complex hybrid cross of a bunch of different fruits, but it's hardy in our zone 8B here. So it'll live out here all winter long, and has for the past few years. Now Larry didn't like it very much, so he's torn the top completely out of it, but you see all this new growth sprouting. But I wanted to kind of fill up this whole corner if somebody would quit tearing it up. All right, come on, babe. Come on, don't go down there. Let's not make this complicated, okay? I'm about to put the camera down because for whatever reason he's seen it a million times, but he acts scared of it. Come on, butt muncher. Come on. Come on. Quit. Ugh, you get on my nerves. You're gonna go inside. Step up. Step up. Step up. Boy, you're gonna get on my nerves. He's gonna bite me too, I'm afraid. After all I do for you. And you want to act up. Here, step up. Step up. Step up. Quit misbehaving. You want to stay out here in the rain? You about to. Step up. Step up. Quit being bad. Come on. You gonna stay out here in the rain then? Come on, you're making us look bad on camera. You'll eat from a bottle, but then you want to bite me. Quit being bad. Step up. He's being way too crazy right now. Why are you gonna act crazy? Huh? Step up. Step up. Why you gotta act like this? Behave. I'm just trying to help you out. So when he gets like this, he's just as bad. We have to use that PVC stand that I built over there, and I'll just take it and make him step up on that. I don't know why he's got to act out. If I just kind of come in kind of quick, like this, he'll fly away and make me even look stupider on camera. Yeah, if you're thinking about birds, just watch these videos and it might make you rethink. Larry, we gotta go inside now. It's raining. Oh, he's going to make me lose it today, y'all. Larry, I'm just trying to help you. And he knows exactly where to get on the side of the cage where I can't get him. Come on, buddy. Come on, step up. Oh, all right. You win. You just stay out here in the rain. Yeah, stay out here and get wet. See if I care. And I really do care. And y'all know that, but we're gonna have to let Larry just chill out a little bit. Maybe even come back with either when it starts raining, he'll step up, or when it gets close to dark, because we're supposed to have more rain coming overnight. So I will come and get him, but right now I'm going inside. I'm gonna eat some chili, I'm gonna watch me some westerns on TV, and I'm gonna enjoy my Sunday. I appreciate you guys watching. Give the video a thumbs up if you don't mind. I promise I've got more gardening content coming for you. Just let me get things settled down after the hurricane and everything else I've got going on. I promise we'll have some gardening content coming for you. Hope y'all have a fantastic week. I'll see you on the next video. Oh, and the more you know, the more you grow. Don't buy birds.
3 hours later.
Quit biting. Got him. All right. It's not really pizza. It's tortilla. He doesn't care.
There, boy.
What are you hoodlums doing?
Going to see if I'm here.
Okay. Haven't been down there since the hurricane, so who knows what shape it's in.
Probably really bad shape.
Probably. Alright. Couldn't leave you guys hanging. We got him. Well, once we get him inside, we got him. And of course, we didn't make it to the cage before Larry decided to fly all the way up there. You fly down to me? Come on. You want some more tortilla? You want pizza? Come on. Almost. There you go, I got you. Come on, step up. I know. It's scary. At least you'll be dry and warm in here. Just don't go in here for just a night, buddy. Well, this is still not going well. Don't you want to be in a nice warm greenhouse? Not out in the cold rain? It looks like he's gonna fly. He's gonna wreck some stuff. Larry, you're the most difficult dude ever. Okay, we'll just let it get dark and then you can't fly. But don't go over there and jump on her cage. Hey, Here we go. Maybe I should have just let the video ended where it was earlier. Larry, why you gotta be such a pain in my ass? All you gotta do is get in a nice warm cage with food in it and go to sleep. Just take you on the whole planet there. How about that? Okay, so Larry bit my lip during the flight. And he's really getting on my last nerve, so I'm gonna end the video now and have fried parrot for dinner. So Larry just freaked out. He's on my shoulder now. And I don't really know what I'm gonna do now. There we go. Finally. I swear, you guys, this bird drives me insane. I don't know why it's got to be so difficult. Anyway, we did it. Good night. See you on the next video.